Last month, I made $45,761 with YouTube affiliate marketing using AI without showing my face, without running ads, and without creating a single product. Just YouTube affiliate links and AI doing most of the work for me. And guys, this money is already paid, okay? I already received this payment in my bank account, and this is the proof. You guys can see here recent payment request details. It's paid. $45,761. Okay, you guys can see this is my invoice over here. Okay, and I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. Okay, I know exactly what is working in 2026 and what's not. But what changed everything for me this year, and I mean everything, is how I started using AI to scale my affiliate marketing business. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact method step by step so you can copy this starting today, even if you have zero experience, even if you have never made a single dollar online. Okay, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using AI, first step, guys, is you need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with for me is Fiverr affiliates. So step number one, just go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr homepage. So you will come to this page and you will scroll more down, go to company and click over here on affiliates, and you will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can scroll down so you guys can check their commission plan so you can understand what I'm talking about, because guys, they are really paying high commissions. This is high ticket affiliate marketing program. So for example, for pro services, they are paying, guys, up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. No affiliate marketing program is paying like this. Okay, and so you can keep getting commissions for 1 year from one single customer, from one single client. Okay, the same clients, if one person buy service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If this same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share. You can turn this into a passive income. The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is really good. You guys can see here. Okay, you can check their commission plan, check their website here to get more info. And if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click on join now. Okay, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And what you will do here, you will put your YouTube channel link. Okay, you will go and create a YouTube channel, put your YouTube channel link here. Before you put your YouTube channel link, please at least make up to 5 or 7 videos about Fiverr services and upload those videos in your YouTube channel. Then you can put your YouTube channel link here. So Fiverr team will check your account, will check your application. They will see that you already have a traffic source, you already have a platform that you will use to promote those Fiverr services, so your account can get approved fast. Okay, I hope it's clear. Scroll more down, click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Germany, France, anywhere. Okay, and choose your language from here. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting on YouTube. Okay, it's clear. You guys can see that the system is clear. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to create a YouTube channel that you will use to promote those Fiverr services. So what you will do next, just click over here and go to private window. Okay, click on this one here and you will be in this page here, guys. Okay, so here you will, like I said, you need to create a YouTube channel. Once you create a YouTube channel, what you will do, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube, and you need to promote services that people are already searching for on YouTube. You need to promote services that help people. You need to promote services that solve problems for people. That's how you can win. You cannot keep guessing or choose the services that you like. This business doesn't work like this. So how you can choose good services and winning services that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube? You will click on the search bar of YouTube and you will just ask questions. Let's ask, for example, how to create, as an example, Shopify store. You guys can see, okay, just type questions here and YouTube, guys, will give you the topics that people are searching for on YouTube right now. Okay, you guys can see this is a report search prediction. This is the topics that people are searching for on YouTube right now. They are searching for how to create a Shopify store to sell digital products, how to create a Shopify store for dropshipping, how to create Shopify store with AI, okay, for clothing brands and for e-commerce and so much more. Okay, so what you will do here for you as an affiliate marketer, you will promote services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. That's how you can win. Let's take, so Shopify store, people, we have an audience on YouTube search for Shopify stores. They don't know how to create Shopify store. If you want to create Shopify store, you need money, okay, because to create Shopify store you need to pay subscription. Okay, so those people, guys, they have money, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know how to create a Shopify store. So what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr, and you will search for Shopify store. Search for services related to the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. That's how we can win. Shopify store. Okay, Shopify. Search for Shopify store, and here you go. So here, pay close attention, please. You will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers. If people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the profile of those sellers. If you are choosing good sellers who can provide good service for your customers, for people who will came from your affiliate link, you will earn commissions. So you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and the pro sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so let's pick one as an example. Let's choose this one, guys. You guys can see this one is pro seller. This seller has over 1,000 reviews, which is really good. I will click on this one. Just click on the seller service that you want to promote, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. Okay, you guys can see that this seller has 19 orders in queue. Okay, so we already have people paying for those services. People already paying for those services. So which audience, guys? Which people are paying for this service? It's this audience, guys. This audience who search for how to create Shopify store on YouTube. It's the same audience. It's the same audience who is paying for those services. Okay, so what you will do, so I'm sharing with you the numbers. Numbers don't lie, guys. You guys can see numbers don't lie. Everything is correct, everything is clear with numbers. Okay, which meaning that this system is working. Okay, you guys can see here. Anyway, what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Just copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Over here, click over here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. You will click here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, pay close attention. Always you will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2, top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning of the video that I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan. Anyway, Fiverr new plan, it's better. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Look, I shared with you almost everything. But if you want to take this business seriously and you want to learn from scratch, step by step, and get direct access to me, I do have, guys, an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you guys can use AI to scale your affiliate marketing business on YouTube and on Quora, on Pinterest, on Reddit, and more. How we can use AI to create content, faceless content. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice. How we can use AI to create landing page, how we can use AI to create an affiliate website, how we can use AI to create a full script for YouTube, how we can use AI to create YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. How we can use AI for keyword research, for SEO, so much more done by AI. What's helped me to scale my affiliate marketing business to over $40,000 a month is AI. Without AI, I can't do it. I'm using AI to create so much content. I'm using AI to automate my affiliate marketing business, and that's why I scaled my affiliate marketing business fast. Okay, if you want to learn more, you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. Okay, anyway, we need to promote, like I said, this affiliate link on YouTube. So what we will do next, you need to go to YouTube, guys, and you guys need to create a YouTube channel. Okay, once you create a YouTube channel, you need to create a faceless YouTube video. Okay, a faceless YouTube video that is explaining how to create a Shopify store using Fiverr sellers, or using Fiverr. You can promote, you can use, for example, this title, how to create Shopify store with Fiverr. Okay, and in this video, guys, you need to talk and you need to explain to people how they can use Fiverr sellers to create Shopify store. Okay, and they can get an amazing results, because those sellers, guys, on Fiverr, they have experience. Okay, those sellers, they have experience and they know exactly how to create a professional Shopify store for you, for any business, for digital product, e-commerce, any business that you want to start. Okay, they have experience and they know exactly how to do it. So you need to create a video explaining how it's easy, how this Fiverr service can help those people on YouTube that search for how to create Shopify store to create Shopify store, okay, for their businesses. Okay, and once you create this video, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here. You will go back to YouTube and you will put this affiliate link in your YouTube video description. And on YouTube, you don't need to create a landing page, you don't need a website, an affiliate website. You can put your affiliate link in your video description and you can promote limited affiliate offers on YouTube, and you can upload a limited videos. Okay, that's how we can scale your affiliate marketing business, and that's the correct, and that's the exact system that you guys can use if you want to start affiliate marketing on YouTube using AI. Okay, and you guys also can create those videos that you will create. You can use just AI tools. You can use AI tools to create full script, turn this script into voiceover, turn this voiceover into an engaging video without showing your face and without using your voice. Okay, and you can create videos to those people who search for how to create Shopify store. Not just Shopify store, you have a lot of services that you can promote on YouTube. Okay, let's search for how to create Shopify store. Okay, and here you go. You see, those people, guys, and on YouTube, please, first, guys, you can get a high quality traffic from YouTube. The best platform, the best traffic source for me that's making me a lot of commissions is YouTube, guys. Okay, on YouTube you can get high quality traffic because you can target the audience, the exact audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. Okay, and as you guys can see that those videos on YouTube, they are getting crazy traffic and it's high quality traffic. The best part with YouTube, guys, is that YouTube, guys, is an SEO platform. It's a search engine platform, meaning that you guys can, if you create an engaging evergreen videos, those videos, guys, can keep getting traffic for years and keep making you commissions for years. You can turn this into a passive income, and that's it. Okay, so for people who are asking, so how much we can earn if one person, let me show you guys. So how much you can earn if for example, if one person buy this service from you. So just the basic package, guys, starting from $180. Okay, you guys can see here. Okay, if we go and let's go for example to Google and ask for example what is, because we are promoting pro services, we will earn 70%. What is 70% of like $180? Okay, you guys can calculate this. So 70% of $180, it's $126, which is a very good commissions. Okay, you guys can see just from one single customer, meaning that you don't need to get millions of views or 1,000 of views to make good commissions. You just need to target the exact audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. Just with few views you can make good commissions, because this affiliate marketing program is already paying high commissions. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.